Hello students, welcome to another lecture on trigonometry. Now in this video we are going to discuss sub-multiple angle formula. In last lecture we have done multiple angle formula and its example which were asked in MSBT examination. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss sub-multiple angle formula. Now sub-multiple angle formula are derived by using multiple angle formula. I have written here some of the multiple angle formula. Now this formula we have done in the last lecture. Sin 2a is equals to 2 times sin a into cos a, and in this way I have written all the angles with angle 2a here. Now we are going to derive some multiple angles for this formula. Now how to derive some multiple angle formula? Now this is 2a. Now if we want to write this formula for only a, then what we are going to do? We are going to replace this 2a by a. Okay, means if we replace a by 2, then what we get here is the sub-multiple angle formula. I will write one by one. Now what we are going to do, instead of a, I am going to write a by 2 here. So if I write first formula for sin a, okay, means here 2a is replaced by a by 2. So if I write sin 2a, a by 2, then what happens, this 2 gets cancelled and we get formula for sin a. Means here a is replaced by a by 2, then what we get here, sin a is equals to 2 times sin of, now a की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे, a by 2 into cos of a by 2. Means this is the multiple angle formula and this is sub-multiple angle formula. Now in the similar way we are going to write all the formula. Second formula is of sin a again. Here 2 into, here a is replaced by a by 2, 2 into tan of a by 2 upon 1 plus tan square a by 2. Third formula, this formula, in this cos of 2a की जगह पे क्या आएगा, a is equals to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Fourth one I will write cos a, here 2a की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे, only a is equals to 1 minus tan square a by 2 upon 1 plus tan square a by 2. Fifth formula 1 minus 1 plus के लिखेंगे, 1 plus cos a will be equals to 2 times cos square a by 2. Then sixth formula is 1 minus cos a is equals to, now this a is replaced by a by 2, so it becomes 2 into sin square a by 2. And finally seventh formula I will write here, tan of a is equals to, what I can write here, 2 into tan square a by 2 upon 1 minus tan square a by 2. So in this way, by using multiple angle formula we have derived some multiple angle formula here. You first of all note down this and then we will solve some of the examples. Now this is the question, how to solve this question. This question is asked in examination summer 17 for 2 or 4 marks may be asked. It has been asked in examination. Now to solve this question, what is given to us? We have given tan of alpha by 2's value, it is equals to 1 upon root 3, and what we are going to find out here is sin alpha. Means to solve this question we have to know one formula of sine in which there is a tan value. So we have one formula, we have to recall this formula, sin alpha is equals to 2 times tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Means this is the formula in which sin alpha can be written in the form of tan alpha by 2. So I will write for all the values here. So 2 into 1 upon root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon root 3 its square, which is equals to 2 upon root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon root 3 square will be 1 by 3. I will solve on this side. So it is equals to, I can write 2 upon root 3 divided by, now how to solve 1 plus 1 by 3? Here 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 1, it gives you 4. So it is 4 by 3. Further to solve this, 2 upon root 3 into, now this if we shift to numerator, it becomes reciprocal, so it becomes 3 by 4 in this way. Now 2 2's are 4, so 3 upon 2 into root 3 we can write. Further to solve, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 upon 2 root 3. Okay, isn't it? हम किसी भी नंबर को यहाँ पर 3 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? root 3 into root 3 we can write it. Okay, so root 3 gets cancelled and what we get as answer is root 3 by 2. So this is the question of 2 marks or 4 marks. Write down this. This is the question. This question has been asked in summer 19 examination for 4 marks. So this is important question. Now in this question, what we have given, tan of theta by 2 is given to us and we have to find out value of 2 times sin theta plus 3 times cos theta. So we need to know the formula in which there is a formula of sine and terms of tan. So I will write first of all, sin theta's value is 2 times tan of theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So this is the standard formula of sin theta. Similarly, I will write formula for cos theta. So 3 into cos theta's formula is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. Now we have given value of tan of theta by 2. I will put, so 2 into the bracket, 2 into 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus 2 by 3 its square plus 3 into the bracket, put here tan of theta by 2's value 1 minus 2 by 3 whole square divided by 1 plus 2 by 3 whole square. Now simplify all these terms. So what we get, 2 into the bracket, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 by 3 divided by 1 plus, now 2 by 3 square is 4 by 9 plus 3 into the bracket, 1 minus 4 by 9 divided by 1 plus 4 by 9 we can write. Okay, so this is the simple calculation. Now further to solve this, now 2 is multiplied here, so it becomes 8 by 3 divided by cross multiplication, 9 into 1 is 9, 9 plus 4, it gives you 13 upon 9 plus, now 3 is also multiplied here, but before that we are going to multiply this 3 into the bracket, 9 into 1 is 9 minus 4 divided by 9 divided by, here also same calculation will be the 13 by 9 because 9 into 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13 by 9. Now it is equals to, अभी आगे कैसे solve करेंगे? I will solve to this side. So this becomes 8 by 3 upon 13 by 9 plus 3 into the bracket, 9 minus 4 gives you 5 by 9 divided by 13 by 9 I can write. Now it is equals to 8 by 3 upon 13 by 9 here plus 15 upon 9 divided by 13 by 9 in this way. Now there is a denominator equal, so I will write 8 by 3 plus 15 by 9 divided by 13 by 9 I can write. Now you note down this, I will rub this whole part. Now to solve this, now what I have done here there was denominator equal, so I have written this 13 by 9 to the denominator and I have taken addition of numerator. Now to solve this numerator, what I am going to do, I am going to take LCM. 3 and 9 LCM is 9, so I will divide by 9 here. Now here there is a 3. To get here 9, what we have to multiply by which term? We have to multiply by 3 here. So 8 into 3 it gives you 24 plus 15 divided by 13 by 9. Further 24 plus 15 it gives you 39 upon 9 divided by 13 upon 9. This 9 gets cancelled and 39 upon 13 it gives you answer 3. So there was a important question, you have to solve this. Write down this. Now to solve this question, we are going to make use of some multiple angle formula. This question is of 4 marks. Now if you observe here, we have formula for 1 minus cos A and similarly we have formula for 1 plus cos A. So what I will do, I will write down LHS first of all. LHS is 1 plus sin A minus cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus cos A I can write. Now what I will do, I will write this cos A here. So 1 minus cos A plus sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus sin A. ऐसा हमने क्यों किया? Because we have formula for these two terms. Now I will write 1 minus cos A's formula, it is equal to 2 times sin square A by 2, and formula for 1 plus cos A is 2 times cos square A by 2. So these two formulae we can write here. So it becomes 2 times sin square A by 2 plus sin A divided by, for this I will write 2 times cos square A by 2 plus sin A. Now in this question, if you observe, we want answer in which angle? A by 2. So what we have to do, we have to convert this sin A into A by 2 angle. So I will use this formula, sin A is equal to 2 times sin of A by 2 into cos of A by 2 for these two terms. So this example becomes 2 sin square A by 2 plus 2 into sin of A by 2 into cos of A by 2 divided by 2 times cos square A by 2 plus 2 times sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Now in this question we have done all the simplification by using these two formula. Now what we are going to do here is, if you observe from numerator, sin of A by 2 and sin of A by 2 is common there. So I will take it common. I will write sin of A by 2. Outside the bracket, what remains with us is 2 into. Here it is a square. So 1 sin of A by 2 remains there. And from here we have taken out sin of A by 2 common. So 2 times cos A by 2 remains out there. Then similarly, from denominator this term can be taken common, cos of A by 2 and cos of A by 2 is similar there. So I will write cos of A by 2 into the bracket. Now here remains 2 into cos of A by 2 plus 2 into sin of A by 2. Now if you observe in this question, these two terms are identical, equal, so I can cancel them out. Now Now sin of a by 2 upon cos of a by 2 is nothing but tan of a by 2. So we have got the answer. This question is of 4 marks and important question. It is already asked in NSBT examination. So in this way we have completed our chapter, that is multiple and submultiple angle formula. If you like watching this video, if you find these videos useful for you, then like, share and subscribe to your friends. Thank you for listening and watching. And remember, if you have any queries or any doubt or you like about this video, then write us to the comment section. Thank you for listening.